Hey Soul Fam, I'm here with my first pick a card reading, and the theme of this is Mercury retrograde and what are our messages. So, we are gonna take blessings from Archangel Michael and Lord Ganesha, and we're gonna ask the angels what is our message during this retrograde, and what energies and what is our guidances and what energies are coming our way. So I've used Archangel Raphael cards. I've used Archangel Michael cards. I've used Angel Answers, Tarot, Energy Oracle, and that is the energy of the current retrograde for each. And my Archangel Oracle cards. So I'm gonna start with the Ganesh Vandana. Om Gan Ganpate Namo Namaha, Om Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namaha, Ashta Vinayak Namo Namo, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Lord Ganesha, please help us. So I have kept three piles, and on every pile I have kept a bracelet. So I've kept rose quartz for pile 1, financial bracelet for pile 2, which is of pyrite, tiger's eye, green aventurine, and the protection for pile 3. So you can take a deep breath and just connect. Just request Lord Ganesha to help you reach the best way to do is close your eyes and see which color is coming. So whichever color is coming, choose that pile. Understand? Just get these colors in your mind and see what's intuitively the color that is telling you, and then like which bracelet is coming up first. That's the best way to get your messages with clarity. I will put the timestamps below, and we will start with pile 1. That is the rose quartz. Rose quartz is a very good crystal which helps you with self-love. So everybody must have a rose quartz. It's like a must. So I'm gonna start without taking much time of yours. We've got the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, we've got strategy, amazing. We've got children, very nice. We've got this situation is already resolved from Archangel Michael, superb. We've got outdoors from Archangel Jophiel, and we've got let go again. Okay, that's again Archangel Raphael coming. So the Wheel of Fortune is basically a card of good luck. This card is actually coming to tell you is that the Wheel of Time is going to turn. So if you're feeling low, don't worry. And also this card number is 10. 10 is again, it's the number of completion. So a cycle getting complete in your life. Your angels are with you, especially Archangel Gabriel. You've got a lot of wisdom coming your way, because all books. So it's like the tarot, and it's like moving. It's got tarot written on it. So it's all about divination, mysteriousness. So this card is telling you good luck coming to you, and the times will change, and focus on your skills at this moment, is what I'm understanding from this card. Strategy is again about journaling. Strategize yourself. Strategize your moves, like what do you want 3 months from now. If you want financial planning, write down what are the actions that you're going to take. So strategy is very important, because you see on this card you've got a journal log written, you've got a feather, you've got coins, you've got some. So it's just about planning the moves, and literally organizing yourself is another message. So organize yourself. So organize for success is what I'm getting from this card. Children is a very important part of your life purpose. Archangel Raphael is coming to you. He's saying the more you spend time with children, the more you're going to feel happy. And so spend time with children. They make you feel loved. Your life purpose involves children. Archangel Michael is telling you don't be troubled. The situation is already resolved. If you're worried, if you're stressed, he's just asking you, as you see on this card, he's holding the child, literally, the child is hugging Archangel Michael, and he's saying, don't worry, the situation is already resolved. So give your worries to Archangel Michael and say, Archangel Michael, I trust that this situation is resolved, and believe it. Have a good restful sleep. He's taken all your worries. You've got the angel that is connecting with you during the Mercury retrograde is Archangel Jophiel. She's the angel of beauty. She's the angel who helps in beautifying your thoughts, mind, body, and soul. She helps you even with your outward beauty. So, the message which she's getting is, you know what, your energy is stuck because I know that in this lockdown you're constantly at home, but you're not spending time with nature. At least go at your window and see the greenery around, see the rains, see how everything around you, see the birds around you. Give some time in nature is the message that I'm getting. So creativity is a message. Focus on your creativity, but for that you'll need to de-stress and get, go into the mother nature and get some nice ideas. So let your creativity flow. Let go is the message that I'm getting. Let go of any thoughts of negativity which is stopping you. So basically a lot of release is going to happen for this collective during the Mercury retrograde. Archangel Michael has already taken away all the worries, and Archangel Raphael through the let go card is saying, that let go your worries, get your worries to me, let go of all that's not serving you this retrograde, and try to strategize, try to spend time with children, and sail through this retrograde with the help of Archangel Jophiel coming to you with creativity is the message for the collective one who chose rose quartz. Now the second collective is the financial bracelet. That's, you've got citrine on this, you've got green aventurine, you've got a tiger's eye, and you've got the pyroid. These all three are amazing crystals for bringing abundance. So you must keep a bowl of, you must actually have one crystal bracelet. Crystals really help in energizing a lot of things, and I really love wearing crystals. So definitely finance is coming to you if you have chosen the second second pile. So we're gonna see what the cards have for you. You've got Page of Cups. That is, Page of Cups is about beautiful. It's about something coming out of the blue. You've got focus upon your divine health. Archangel Michael is asking you to take care of your health. Archangel Raphael says take care of your laughter. You've been stressed out, you've been very stressed, so take care of your moods. You need to smile, you need to get those hormones that help you produce some laughter. Watch a comedy sitcom. Your energy oracle, you should focus, your energy should be focusing on balancing your masculine and feminine energies. You've got card number 22 coming up. 22 is about harmony, yin and yang. We all have masculine and feminine. Each individual has got masculine and feminine parts in us. So it's time that we balance that. If you're more masculine, try to get some femininity, try to get some compassion. If you're too masculine, if you're too feminine, try to be a little masculine, try to take your decisions on your own. So it's very important. Like Lord Shiva Shakti, balance, yin and yang is what this card is telling us. Balance, yin and yang, balance the energy force, masculine and feminine. You've got Archangel Zadkiel coming as compassion. Archangel Zadkiel is telling us to forgive. He's the angel of forgiveness. He helps us forgive. That those blocks of heart, if you're feeling like, if you've not forgiven someone, you'll feel that block in your heart. So he's telling you to bring compassion, release, soften your heart and respect this situation. If you've had a fight recently, or you are just, for a lot of people in Mercury retrograde, the past reefs their faces. So the message is that during this time, release it by forgiving people who have hurt you, and you will see the difference. You will also forgive yourself. Like if you feel, I should not have done this, just forgive, just reinstate, like once you let go, you reinstate things. So forgiveness is very important. Choose a new direction. It's time to focus on a new skill. Choose a new direction. Look out for options is what this message through Angel Answers deck is coming. Focus upon your divine health. It's very important. You've been ignoring your health, I mean, music therapy is going to help you. And Archangel Raphael is also coming again, because the number 8 is on this card. So focus upon your divine health. And the Page of Cups is definitely a card of creativity again, because the water is creativity. He's standing here. He's picked up this fish. It's out of the blue. So it's about unexpected messages for those, you might just hear from a friend, from an old friend you've not heard from, is what I'm getting from the Page of Cups card. So Page of Cups is about, it's just about, like out of the blue kind of a thing. That's what is always, you'll just hear from someone out of the blue. So again, a very beautiful energy from this card. Let's go to our protection, Evil Eye. It's very important to keep yourself protected, and I always wear this, whenever I feel like, low energies. So it's always important. So this is actually the Turkish Evil Eye bracelet that I took. So one message that I got for people who picked this one was that Archangel Michael is really coming, because for this specific kind of collective, 2 cards came out actually from Archangel Michael deck. So they really have some messages. So let's see the messages. You've got the Tower. Not to worry, the Tower is just about sudden change. You've got community. You've got, oh wow, you again got Archangel Michael. So Archangel Michael is really working on this collective. In fact, the protection bracelet also you have chosen. It's about he protects. You are on the right path, and meditation brings answers, and you've got improving health. Wow. So the message that I get from this for these people is, don't worry. The Tower just means that you're gonna have a sudden rise. So don't run away, don't fear change is the message during the Mercury retrograde. Mercury retrograde is gonna bring across sudden changes for you. Don't fear it. Your health is going to be improving. Spend some time again gardening is what I understand. Your health will improve. Meditate during this Mercury retrograde. Make meditation your key, and you will be able to hear answers. You are on the right path is again what Archangel Michael is telling you. Self-respect is what the second message he got. Meditate upon Om is what I understand from this card. Remember who you are. Archangel Michael is saying that you are very powerful. You are loved. So don't worry. Archangel Michael is definitely coming to this collective to say that he is with you guys. So you guys have nothing to worry, and don't fear change, because Archangel Michael is coming. And also I get the card of community. This collective, you should spend more time with your soul tribe, because it's about soul tribe coming together. Again, the number 7 is that you are on the right path, corresponding with the number 7 of you are on the right path. So overall, there will be a sudden change for this collective. Don't fear the change. Have some self-respect for yourself. Meditate more. Meditate upon Om. And I'm going to close this beautiful reading by thanking the angels. I'm going to try to do more such readings. And just 777 is a number again that the divine is with you. So meditate upon Om, and Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. So I hope you guys like this reading. Thank you so much for watching.